Who is this? This is Kato Lubwama. Well, Kato Lubwama, you're calling me to be exiled. At your age, we are guarded completely because I had you myself. I had you myself. Ochiwira, we're getting into this and we no session. Hey, Kato Lubwama, stop. You must stop it. Lokela or go get into the session. No, that's Wagano Kura. How dare you? How dare you tell people that you refuse, stubbornly, you refuse to grow up? You refuse to grow up. You want to be like that. Stunted, with your big eyes, with your big nose. A very stupid, incompetent, a stupid character whom I cannot believe to be Kato Lubwama. Kato Lubwama, why don't you stop? Why don't you stop bambolaling? You bring a word like Kato Lubwama, you're very funny. Now, what is bambolaling? If somebody asks you, what is bambolaling? Can you please bring the answer? Can you please bring the answer of the word bambolaling? You're creating stupid words every time and injecting those words into a stupid thing. Stop your bambolaling, bastard.